Now remember, this is just the beginning of the year project. I don't want you to stress about it. It doesn't have to look exactly like you. We're just learning to draw a face from the side. We're taking what we've learned before and kind of stretching it now to the front of the face. Now I'm going to make the forehead. So I'm going to curve up kind of where the brows are. I'm just going to make a little hill or a curve and then slope in. Now for this project, we're making a surrealist or a dreamlike hair. We still want it to read as hair. So my hair is usually in a ponytail. So I'm going to draw the hairline. Coming back, our hair goes in front of our ear a little bit. I'm just using little lines to be little hairs. Now, behind the ear here is where the brain ends. So my brain's kind of in here. My skull comes back behind my ear a little bit here, and then my neck starts. So I can kind of slant it out. Now maybe I've made that a little dramatic there, but you get the idea. And then on this side is where the front of my neck is, okay? So now the hair is all gonna be in this space. So I wanna kind of make a little poof for it's pulled back. I'm gonna show where the ponytail is. And then I'm gonna make the ponytail itself. It's usually wider at the top. And then a little thinner, zigzaggy at the bottom, okay? Now that I've got the hair, now the fun begins. I want you to really just relax and draw what comes to your mind. I like to break the hair into sections, thinking about how the hair actually goes, either back this way or down this way, and then that's a place to start. Think of in these different sections what it makes you think of. So this right here makes me think of a rainbow. So surrealism, they're connecting to their dreams, their subconscious. So just see what kind of images flow into your head. Just make sure they're school appropriate, please. Maybe some zigzags here. Now we don't just want lines and designs like the Zentangles, we actually want some symbols and some ideas in here. So I also love, we had bagels this morning, I love bagels. So I'm gonna draw a bagel here. A circle, show a little bit of the bottom. I'm gonna show the hole in the bagel. Maybe there's some cream cheese in it. It's looking kind of like a donut, which I like those too. But think of what comes to your brain, add those in, and then you can design around it. All right? All right, I wanted to show you some examples. So here's one that I've done. The hair is completed, here's the ponytail, and then you can see there's some different things in here. I'll point a few out to you. There's a spider web connecting the back of the neck to the ponytail. There's a bee on here. There's a little baby hand for my 3 little boys always pulling at my hair. Bricks underneath, thinking of that solid construction. It's hard to see, but there's teeth right here, making up a mouth. I love hidden eyes, so I've added an eye. There's a window here, and then just a nice lady up here having tea. A few more examples here. I've got a guy with some short hair to show you some short hairdos. Again, I've split it into sections and used those sections to guide me. I made a shoe at the top, kind of tied. I know sometimes 6th grade boys can be obsessed about shoes, so I put a shoe there. Again, I've got a mouth, a little skateboarding guy in here, and then lots of designs, even some scales, like dragon scales. This one over here has a lock, like a combination lock. This design up here starts out kind of snake-like, but then turns into paw prints. I've also got the zigzags again, chains coming through here. I did a lady, now this isn't totally a profile, she just really wanted her face turned, but to show you the hair, she's got an owl hidden in here, a dragon eye, some stars and stripes, some zigzags. You can see all of the space is filled in. There's basic designs, but then there's also some images too, and that's what we're looking for. Have fun with it. All right, so we are finishing this project up, and it's time to think about how will I know when I'm finished. This is my finished example. Okay, I have a profile. I've checked to make sure that I have the different parts drawn the way they are in the instructions. I've taken all of the hair, split it into sections, filled all those different sections with designs and some symbolism. So you can see mine's got a chains here, I've got a paint palette, strawberries in the bun, some little rock climbers here climbing up the side, a smokestack, lots of different hidden images. But then every single space is filled. So in this space I just filled it with the numbers 1 to 5. In here I've just got some cross hatching, some scales, so lots of different patterns. So the drawing is done. It's also finished because it's been outlined with pen. Remember, pens are in the pen drawer. They're easy to find. Make sure the pen works. If it doesn't work, give it to me. Outline everything. Once you've outlined it, erase the pencil. That just makes it look a little bit cleaner. It has my name on it, and it has my teacher's name. And since I'm the teacher, my name is on there twice. So this would be a finished example. When you're finished, you'll let me know. I'll check it off and collect it.